If you want to test some changes either locally or on production by using your browser, and you would like to override the HTML, CSS, or JS files that are being returned by the web server, while also being able to reload the page and check the previous version really quickly, in this quick tips episode, you will learn how. Keep watching! Hi there! I'm Manuel Gutierrez from thelighthouse.co, and in this quick tips series, I will share snackable videos focusing on just one feature or problem. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe and the bell notification buttons below so you don't miss a thing. Let's start! So, go to Chrome, open the DevTools by right-clicking with the mouse and selecting Inspect. Click on the Sources tab and open the page that you want to test. Click on Overrides and then on Select Folder for Overrides. Choose the local folder and then allow the access request. There are multiple ways to get to the source file in order to override it. One of them is by going back to the Page subtab. Then, for example, if you expand the domain name and depending on the site, you might find a couple of folders, CSS files, or in this case, just the HTML page and one JavaScript file. We can, for example, add some text to the HTML, save, and refresh. We can see that our changes are there and will be kept until we disable local overrides. We can also modify the JavaScript file and save it. It will ask us to reload the page. You can now make your tests or debug it, knowing that the changes will be kept even when we reload the page or close the browser. The files will be stored inside the folder that you selected before when allowing the access request. As you can see, it uses the domain as part of the folder structure. If you wanted to check really quickly the version from before you made your changes, just disable overrides, reload, and everything should be as before. Awesome! Congratulations and thanks for watching! You can join the free mini course associated with this video by clicking on the link in the description below. Share any comments or suggestions about the series or future topics. And if you like the video, also hit the like button below.